Want to switch from Tesco Mobile but keep your number? You'll need a PAC, which stands for Porting Authorization Code. A PAC is a unique code that allows you to transfer your mobile number to a new provider without losing it. First, make sure your Tesco Mobile account is active and you have identification ready for verification. Request your PAC through the Tesco Mobile app, website, or by calling 0344 324 9222 during business hours. You'll receive your PAC code via SMS or email, usually within 2 hours of your request. Your PAC code is valid for 30 days. Remember, requesting a PAC is free, but early contract termination may incur fees, so check your plan. Once you have your Tesco Mobile PAC code, give it to your new mobile provider when you sign up with them. They'll handle the number transfer. The actual porting usually takes 1 to 2 working days, but allow up to 7 days in case of issues. Your Tesco Mobile SIM will remain active until the transfer is complete, ensuring minimal downtime. Under Ofcom rules, providers must port numbers without unreasonable delays. PAC requests are free, although your new provider might charge a small porting fee, around £10 to £25. Also, be aware that eSIMs are increasingly popular, which can allow faster porting.